Bonjour, je m'appelle Vimansa Sandipani, and today I'm going to talk about French festivals and celebrations. Fêtes et célébrations françaises. Whether you call France home or are just visiting, going to festivals is a great way to immerse yourself in French culture. Luckily, there are plenty of spectacular French festivals to choose from throughout the year. These celebrate everything from kites and lemons to dragons and opera. So if you're looking for a fun culture fix, mark your diaries for these epic events. Let's see what these festivals are. Festival de Cerf-Volant de Bourg-sur-Mer. Every year, in the seaside resort of Bourg-sur-Mer on the Opale coast of Pas-de-Calais, a kite festival takes place, which is the International Kite Festival. For over 2 decades, more than 500,000 spectators have come to watch the spectacular display of kites fly over the seaside town of Bourg-sur-Mer. Taking place every March or April, the festival sees giant dragons, whales, octopuses, and various cartoon characters take to the skies over the sandy beach. The festival also plays host to the International Kite Championships of the world every 2 years. During this time, experts from all over the world compete against the wind and each other. Carnival de Nice. Taking place every February, the famous Nice Carnival is one of the largest carnivals in the world, alongside those in Brazil, Venice, and Mardi Gras in New Orleans. It is also the most important event on the French Riviera. Over 1 million people from all over take to the street of Nice during the day and night. They come to marvel at the flamboyant floats, colorful costumes, and stunning parades, all the while soaking up the buzzing carnival atmosphere. More than 1,000 dancers and musicians from around the world perform at the magnificent carnival. Chorégie de Ronge. Dating back to 1869, the Chorégie de Ronge is the oldest festival in France and the place to be if you love opera and classical music. It takes place every August in a beautiful preserved Roman theatre in Orange. Almost 9,000 spectators come to lap up the incredible historic atmosphere of the ancient theatre. They also get to enjoy the exceptional natural acoustics created by the theatre's original stone stage wall. Festival d'Avignon. Another fantastic French festival not to miss is the Festival d'Avignon. This annual theatre festival is held in July in the courtyard of Palais du Pape in Avignon. During this time, Avignon transforms its architectural heritage into various majestic performance venues. Tens of thousands of theatre lovers of all ages come to enjoy theatre, dance, visual arts, and live music. The town also becomes an open-air forum where festival goers can talk about the shows and share their experiences. Fête de Lumière, Lyon. For 4 days in December, the city of Lyon comes aglow during the Festival of Lights, which pays homage to the Virgin Mary. Thousands of flickering candles can be seen in the windows and on balconies, creating a beautiful and magical atmosphere. Meanwhile, the city's buildings and bridges come aglow with multiple lights. Various light installations created by artists from all over the world also help to light up Lyon. Other activities based on light usually takes place over the 4 days too. The highlight of the festival, however, is the lighting of the Basilica of February in different colors. The evening light shows at the Place de Terreau is also not to be missed. Tour de France. Started in the early 20th century, this beautiful cycling competition has been a grand spectacle for over 100 years now. Probably one of the most prestigious and exciting French festivals and celebrations. Tour de France is the perfect way to witness the French countryside in the Alps. As the route for the competition changes every year, the scenic beauty of this competition is unpredictable and unprecedented. This is one of the famous festivals in Paris. Let me summarize when these festivals and celebrations takes place. Février, Carnival de Nice. Avril, Berck-sur-Mer. Juin, Tour de France. Juillet, Festival d'Avignon. Août, Corrégie de Ronge. Décembre, Fête des Lumières, Lyon. Don't be surprised, but these are not the only festivals and celebrations that are celebrated in France. Let's see what these other festivals and celebrations are. Mardi Gras, Cannes Film Festival, Paris L'été Festival, which is also known as the Paris Summer Festival, Monton Lemon Festival, La Fête de la Musique, Bastille Day, International Garden Festival, and finally, Festival Medieval de Sedan. Hope you mark your diaries for these epic events. Merci.